My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Intel. Intel is the ransomware that is able to essentially damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware's attack, users are able to open their files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this Intel ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. And so very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts files and appends this Intel extension to the file names. It also eventually reveals a special ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. But of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. To download it, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser, so go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the application, and start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The software will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other types of threats. So do not skip this very important step. And then the scanning will begin, and at the end of the scanning you will then see the summary of all the threats which were found on the computer. Pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files though. Keep this in mind. Now, I recommend that you upgrade to Premium. You can request trial at any time to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Once again, Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the data, and there is no any other antivirus, unfortunately, which would be able to decrypt this data that got encrypted by this Intel ransomware. However, Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to effectively detect this ransomware and to get rid of it from your system. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.